Good morning, everybody. I have some good news. We have started a new month. We're in May, and we are done with the month of May, and now we are in J, 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 June. June. We are in the month of June. And in June, we can start going in the water. It gets warm out. The sun comes out some more. We can eat ice cream. So it's very exciting that we are in the month of June. So my friends, yesterday, we gotta do our good morning song. Miss Sarah almost forgot. Two hands, two fingers. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? So let's look at our calendar. We are going to do another pattern this month, and we are going to do green, purple, purple. And then we're going to start it over. Green, purple, purple, green, purple, purple. Okay? So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And since we're starting a new month, what is the number that we start counting with? Number 1. Very good. So Miss Sarah's going to draw a box, write the number 1 in it, and our first color that we're going to use is green. Awesome. So let's say the date today. Today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. Today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ding dong, ding dong, ding. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me and Miss Lily. If you guys need anything at all, any support with school, any support with getting resources, please let us know. We will be happy to find them and help you. Please stay safe and healthy.